Indication की तो cheapest fluid है to provide adequate calorie to the body for pre and post operative placid replacement as a vehicle for one IV advent of various corrections of hypernatremia due to the pure H2O loss. Contraindication cerebral edema, neurosurgical procedure, acute ischemia procedure, hyponatremia and H2O indication. Isotonic saline 0.9% NaCl. Normal saline NS composition है 1 liter of fluid contain Na 154 mcg और Cl है 154 mcg. Pharmacological basis क्या है? NaCl is present chiefly in the extracellular fluid maintaining the osmolarity of ECF. So isotonic solution is used to provide the major extracellular electrolyte. Isotonic saline is a very useful IV fluid to raise blood pressure in the patient with hypovolemic shock. Indications have water insoluble depletion as in the diarrhea, vomiting, treatment of hypovolemic shock, treatment of alkalines in severe salt depletion or hyponatremia. Contraindication है hypertensive or preeclampsia, dehydration with the severe hypokalemia. Dextrose with half strength saline 0.95 DNC. DNS composition है 1 liter fluid contains sodium 77 mcg, chloride 77 mcg, glucose 50 mcg. Pharmacological basis as this fluid contains 50% salt as compared to NS or DNS. It is useful when there is need for calories. More H2O, lesser salt. Replacement suitable. Replacement fluid in pediatrician patients. Indications have fluid therapy in pediatric patients. Severe hyponatremia. Early post-operative period. Contraindication hyponatremia. Severe dehydration due to the diarrhea and vomiting. Next one is dextrose with the normal saline DNS 5%, dextrose with 0.9% NaCl solution. Composition 1 liter of fluid contain glucose 50 grams, chloride 154 mcg और Na 144 mcg, pH of 4.2, osmolarity 585 m osmo per liter. Pharmacological basis, this fluid has the advantage both 5% dextrose to provide energy and isotonic saline to provide salt. Indications है correction of salt and depletion and hypovolemic with supply of energy. Fluid contaminated with the blood transfusion. Contraindication anuria. ठीक है, उसके बाद है हाइपोवोलेमिक शॉक. उसके बाद है आपका रिगर लैक्टेज विच इज नोन एज हार्मन्स सॉल्यूशन. कंपोजिशन है 1 लीटर ऑफ फ्लूइड कंटेन NaCl 130 mcg, पोटेशियम 4 mcg, क्लोरीन 109 mcg, Ca कैल्शियम 3 mcg, HCO 328 mcg. फार्मास्यूटिकल बेसिस BeCO2 हाई Na positive. Concentrated RL rapidly expands intravascular volume. RL is commonly used as physiological fluid as its electrolyte content is similar to the cone in plasma. Indications are correction of severe hypovolemia rapidly with the large fluid volume. Post-operative patients, one fracture, fluid loss, diabetic keto acid is. Contraindication है liver disease, pancreatitis, CHS, colloidal solution है albumin, dextrin, gelatin polymer. Next one is hemorrhage. Hemorrhage, it is the leakage of blood from the circulatory system both internally and externally. Classification depending upon the vessels. Arterial hemorrhage inside red color gets out. It can be easily controlled because the pulsation of the artery can be seen. Venous hemorrhage dark red in color. It oozes out. It is non-pulsating and difficult to control because veins get retracted. Capillary hemorrhage red in color and oozes out slowly depending upon time in primary hemorrhage occurring at the time of energy. Reactionary hemorrhage occurs after 6 to 12 hours after the surgery. HTN in the post-operative period and violent sneezing, coughing causes the reactionary hemorrhage. Secondary, it occurs after 5 to 7 days of surgery. It is due to the infection which eats away the suturing material causing the clotting of the vessel wall. Blood transfusion, administration of the whole body blood and its components into a patient is called as BT. The blood transfusion, the only source of blood is voluntary human donation and the whole blood is apparatus into two components of blood, namely the packed यानी पैक्ड रेड PRBC यानी कि पैक्ड रेड ब्लड सेल्स, फ्रेश फ्रोजन प्लाज्मा, प्लेटलेट erythrocytopenis, cryptoprecipitation indication, hemorrhagic shock, major surgeries, extensive burns, chronic blood test, thrombocytopenia, massive trauma, blood loss greater than 20% of volume, HB of greater than 8 gram per dl, HB greater than 10 gram per dc in patient, and major cardiovascular tissue, blood product, packed blood cells. The whole blood is centrifuge. Red blood cells settle down and the platelets reach plasma. In remain supernated, the plasma is transferred to the another bag by preservative is added to the red cells and the bag is seated. It is indicated in patient undergoing the chemotherapy, major surgery, delivery, trauma, sickle cell anemia. Each unit of the packed cell should increase the HB by 1 gram per cent. The red cells may be leukoplative for using in the patient requiring the multiple transfusion to prevent developing an antibody to the leukocytes. 1 unit PCV 330 ml. It is streptoduten 35 days at the temperature of 22 to 4 degrees Celsius. Platelet. The bag is containing platelets rich plasma is again centrifuged to express of the plasma so that the bag with the remaining platelet can be settled off. It may be transfused, prophylactic or the therapeutic use. Fresh frozen plasma. Remaining plasma may be stored in a frozen form 18 degrees Celsius for 1 year. It is indicated in bleeding or in major surgeries. FFP provide the coagulation factor for bleeding patient and those patient warfare. The cryptoprecipitation, the FPP. इसके आगे जो है वो प्लेटलेट्स हैं. तो प्लेटलेट्स क्या होती हैं? बैग कंटेनिंग द प्लेटलेट रिच प्लाज्मा इज अगेन कंसंट्रेटेड टू एक्सप्रेस ऑफ द प्लाज्मा सो दैट द बैग विद द रिमेनिंग प्लेटलेट कैन बी sealed off. Fresh frozen plasma. Remaining plasma may be stored in the frozen form 18 degrees Celsius for 1 year. It is indicated in bleeding or in major surgeries. FFP provide coagulation factor for bleeding patients and those patient warfare. Cryoprecipitate. The FPP may be further treated to produce a cryptoprecipitate rich in fibrinogen. It is indicated in the patient whose fibrinogen. It is indicated in the patient whose fibrinogen level are less than 1 gram percent. Example है discriminated intramuscular coagulation, complications of blood transfusion. Complications of blood transfusion, immune complication, hemolytic, major, minor, non-hemolytic, hemolytic reactions, major ABO incompatible table reaction. This is a result of mismatched blood transfusion due to the technical error like sampling, labeling and dispatching. This causes the intravascular hemolysis. Clinical features of ABO: hematuria, pain in the ABO, उसके बाद है मिसमैच. Clinical feature of major hematuria: pain in the ground, fever of the chills and rigors. Oliguria is due to the product of mismatched blood transfusion blocking the renal tubules. It results in acute renal necrosis (TOT). The soft the blood transfusion stop the IV blood transfusion, start IV fluid, monitor urine output, check urine for HP. Diureters with injection anitol 20% 100 ml IV to flashy the kidney. Next one is a minor incompatible reactions ABO. It occurs due to the extravascular hemolysis. It will be mild, occur at 2 to 21 days, occurs due to the antibodies to the minor. Clinical feature है malaise, jaundice, fever. Treatment क्या है कि give supportive TOT. Non hemolytic reaction है febrile reaction. Next one है occur due to the sanitize due to the WBC of platelet, increased temperature to non hemolysis. Next one आपका है Allergic reaction occur due to the allergy of plasma product, manifest as the chills, rigors, and rashes all over the body. Total treatment and use of antihistamines, transfusion related acute lung injury. It is a real complication occur within 6 hours due to the anti-leukocyte antibodies transmute plasma causing the pulmonary edema, which lead to the acute respiratory distress syndrome. CCF, congestive cardiac failure, occur whole blood is transferred rapidly in the patient with chronic anemia. Treatment is slow transfusion injection, furosemide 10 mg IV, packed cell transfusion in the choice of treatment. Infectious complication, example AIDS, malaria, syphilis, etc. Complication of massive transfusion, hypokalemia, trinoclaptoria, clotting factor deficiency to acute lung injury. फिर है radiological findings, abnormal lung capacity, increase in the size and number of lungs, smoking, Hill-Hobbit sign, loss of the clarity of diaphragm and heart border, air bronchogram lines, spine sign, loss of normal darkening inferiorly of the thoracic vertebral body is on the later veins. There is increase in the number of bronchovascular marking, interstitial obstruction, plain X-ray, abdomen, multiple air fluid level, proximal the acute, lesser the air fluid lesser the air fluid level, distal the absent more than the air fluid level normally. Three fluids level can be seen in plain X-ray at the fundus, at duodenum and OM. Jejunum show coincidena. A large bowel show constration. Dilatation cecum shows large bowel. Abs smaller bowel greater than 3 cm diameter. Proximal large bowel greater than 9 cm. Transverse colon greater than 5.5 cm and sigmoid colon greater than 5 cm are suggested diffusion. USG, careful to see the dilated bowel and fluid in the peritoneal cavity. CT scan, it is show dilated loop transfusion zone and collapsed part. Next one है pulmonary TB, parenchymal primary TB is extensive lesser upper lobe and the angular collidation. Primary TB, lymphadenopathy, GH on focus. Miliar TB is 2 to 3 mm diffuse nodule. CECT, tubular nodule with central area of low attenuation and suggestive of the Needles rank E complex. Emphysema क्या होता है? Few bulbar are seen in the rounded area. Hyperturn leucancy, LPAVU, both lung field, low set flat diaphragm, wide intercostal space, vertical heart known as teardrop heart or the tubular heart, barrel shaped avascular zones, no mediastal shift, pleural effusion, triangular homogeneous diverse capacity say of lateral osteoporotic angle, elevate the lung base, mimics elevated diaphragms, leaflets on the left side, a marked separation of the lung from the stomach bubble suggests a subpulmonary effusion. There is absence of airborne cogram on pleural effusion. Pneumothorax, left hemithorax is black due to the air in the pleural cavity. The left lung is completely compressed. Trachea pushed to the right. Heart is shifted to the contralateral side. The left hemidiaphragm is depressed. There is absence of bronchovascular marking beyond the collapsed lung border. Miliary TB क्या होता है? Chest radiography shown innumerable millet size nodular apparatus or capacities on ground glass opacities in both sides. Miliary TB refer to the widespread dissemination of TB by heterogeneous spread cation focus. Rank complex. Next mitral stenosis, PAVU of the chest show mitral selection of the heart or the straightening of the left border of the heart. Pulmonary venous HTN or edema is present. Pulmonary edema may be observed intermediately. Mild cardiomegaly is seed, enlargement of left atrium, enlargement of pulmonary arterial segment, right atrium enlarged with the tricuspid regurgitation, double columnar of the right border of the heart, left arterial hypotherapy, smooth sign, prominent round left ventricle, dilated aorta, left heart border displays inferiorly, rounding of the cardiac apex, depression on the left hemidiaphragm, larger left heart border, paralytic illness. There is a multiple dilated loop of the small bowel wall seen in the upper quadrant. Gas is noticed in the non dilated colon, and a small amount of residual barren is present in the rectum and in the diverticulum in the descending colon. There is left side sclerosis of the lumbar spine, bone fracture. The fracture in which the end of the bone are diverted into one another. Impacted fracture, a fracture that occur at the right angle to the bone axis. Transferred fracture is incomplete fracture in a long bone, child green streak, and an incomplete fracture in a long bone of the child green streak. A very thin crack or the break in the bone, H-line hairline fracture. Next one is spondylolisthesis. It is defined as a forward stoppage of one vertebrae on its adjacent caudal segment, shift of the 15th vertebrae due to the derailment disc at L4 and L5 level, loss of the smooth lumbar curve, slip angle more than 55 degree, inverted napometrium head sign and scanty dog sign और oblique vessels. यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हो गया पार्ट 1. इसके बाद का देखते हैं oblique के लिए. ठीक है, बाय.